How to change password on Instagram without current password in iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change password on Instagram without current password in iPhone. First, go to your Instagram account on your iPhone. Then go to your home page by tapping on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Now go to menu on the top right. Select settings here. Here, log out of your account. From the page that appears, select log in to another account. After this, provide your username, phone number, or email address here. Now select forgot password. Here, enter your account ID and select find account. Doing so will send a link to your Gmail account so that you can get back to your account. So, from web browser, go to Gmail. Now open the email sent to you by Instagram. After this, tap on reset your password. Also, log out of other devices. Now set a new password here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.